All right, let's take a look at an equation that has 24 divided by 6. Now, I know many of you will say, oh, Mrs. Kim, I know the answer to that. 24 divided by 6 will be 4 because 6 times 4 is 24. You guys have done the opposite operation. But sometimes this doesn't come to us that easily. Let's take a look at numbers like, how about 76 divided by 4? Let's go on and use the house method to do this problem. Before we start, we will need to know some terms, and here is my chart. Feel free to pause the video and take the notes down. Boys and girls, when we are doing the problem 76 divided by 4, 76 will be our dividend. Remember the word then is here? You divide in the then. Division sign will be our house. 4 will be our divisor. Do you see the word visor? The divisor is under our visor. Quotient is the result. So quotient is the queen in the attic. And after we've done our math, whatever the remainder we get, it will go up to the chimney. Now let's take a look by solving 76 divided by 4. Boys and girls, I'm going to put 76 divided by 4 into my house model. So remember, 76, and I'm going to put my house and my 4. Then, what I'm going to ask you to do is put the top and the bottom chart. For my top, I'm going to list 1 all the way to 10. We do not need to go above 10 because my number is in 1's place. For my bottom chart, I am going to put my multiples. Let's put that right here for our reminder. Multiples of 4. So I know that it's going to be 4 because 4 times 1 gives me 4. Then 8. Then 12. 16. 20. 24. 28. 32, 36, and 40. Now, boys and girls, if this method is hard for you, by simply doing 4 times 1 is 4, what we can do is we can also have our little tally by our side. Because we're working with the number 4, I put 4 tallies, and how I can do is 1, 2, 3, 4, put 4 down, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and then the list will go on. Now, after we have done this, I'm going to put my families down. It is Daddy, Mommy, sister, brother, and Roger. Roger is my doggy. Daddy, representing division. M, mommy, representing multiplication. Sister, representing subtraction. Bring it down and repeat. Once I have my top, bottom chart and my family chart ready, I'm ready to begin my calculation. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go back over here and I'm gonna go, I need to have my 4. How many times can my 4 come out of 7? How many 4s can I make that is closer to 7? How many times can 4 go into 7? So I am gonna go to my bottom list and find a number that is closest to 7, but we cannot go over. Here's 4, here's 8, but remember what I said, we cannot go over. So I know that the closest is 4. This is the number that I put it on the bottom. And I'm going to underline my top number because I'm going to put this on the top. I have just done my division portion. Next, I know I need to check with my multiplication. 4 times 1 gives me 4. Subtracting 7 minus 4, giving me 3. I will need to go back to my original number, which is 76, bring the 6 down, and I will need to repeat my process. I will need to take a look at 36, go to my bottom chart, and find the number that is closest or exactly the same number. I found 36. I'm going to put this number on the bottom. I'm going to underline my top number, which is 9. I have done my division and multiplication because 4 times 9 gives me 36. Subtracting, and I have no remainder. The repeat part, I do not have any more numbers to go by. So I know 76 divided by 4 is 19. Boys and girls, for today, I want you to finish working on page 197. We started off with the concept of multiple, and you should be able to finish this page 197. Then, I want you to go to page 202 and only work on the odd numbers. That is it for math today, boys and girls. Have a lovely day.